Did you know you can make real money just by sharing your opinion on websites and apps? Yes, you heard that right. Imagine turning your spare time into easy cash. Let me show you how with User Testing, one of the most trusted platforms to make money online. User Testing is a platform where businesses pay you to test their websites and apps. Your job: to share honest feedback about your experience. Whether you're a tech expert or just a casual user, your opinion matters and gets paid for. Stay tuned as I break down exactly how to sign up, what you'll do, and how much you can earn. First, head over to User Testing's website and click on Get Paid to Test. Signing up is free and takes just a few minutes. You'll need a PayPal account, as that's where your payments will go. Next, you'll take a short sample test to show you're comfortable speaking your thoughts out loud. Visuals show a step-by-step animation of the sign-up process and sample test. Don't worry, the sample test is super easy. Just follow the prompts, talk about what you see, and give your honest opinion. Once you're approved, you're ready to start testing. Once approved, you'll receive test invites through email or the User Testing dashboard. Each test involves completing specific tasks like navigating a website, testing a new app, or answering questions about your experience. Here's the best part. Tests typically take 10 to 20 minutes, and you get paid $10 per completed test. All you need is a computer, a reliable internet connection, and the ability to clearly explain your thoughts while testing. Here's the best part. Tests typically take 10 to 20 minutes, and you get paid $10 per completed test. All you need is a computer, a reliable internet connection, and the ability to clearly explain your thoughts while testing. Once you finish a test, your payment will be processed within 7 days. Payments are sent directly to your PayPal account, so there's no waiting around for checks or bank transfers. For each test, you earn $10, and some advanced tests can pay even more. Imagine earning $50 in just a couple of hours from the comfort of your home. That's the power of User Testing. Here are some quick tips to maximize your earnings on User Testing. Be quick. Test slots fill up fast, so accept invites as soon as they come in. Stay honest. Companies value genuine feedback, so don't be afraid to share your true thoughts. Check often. Keep your dashboard open to catch new opportunities. User Testing is not just another platform. It's an opportunity to turn your free time into real income. Imagine this. In the next few days, you could be making $10 for every 20 minutes you spend testing websites and apps. That's $30 an hour, right from the comfort of your couch. And the best part? You don't need any special skills, just your honest opinion and a willingness to share your thought. This isn't just a side hustle. It's a chance to take control of your financial future in an easy, flexible, and fun way. Whether you're saving for a vacation, paying off debt, or just want some extra spending money, User Testing can help you get there. So, what are you waiting for? The sooner you start, the sooner you'll see that PayPal notification pop up on your phone. Click the link in the description and sign up for User Testing today. It's free, it's easy, and it's 100% worth it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who could use a little extra cash. And don't forget to subscribe for more ways to make money online. I've got tons of exciting tips, tools, and tutorials coming your way. See you in the next video, and happy earning.